Alright, good morning. Let me update you because my little boy was sleeping and I couldn't get my camera. I have taken out the pot rack, the knife thing, that shelf. That one's Buddy. He's awake now. So, I'll be right back. And welcome back. Okay, sorry. He was yelling. He has milk now. He's happy. My hair. You guys, I'm obsessed about my hair. But, that's not what we're here to talk about today. We're here to talk about kitchen demolition. Oh, I'm not. Hold on. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay. It's demo day. Yes, it's demo day. Okay, this shirt was a little smaller. It must have shrunk since my wife bought it for me. And this is the only day she lets me wear it, is if I'm actually demoing. Otherwise, I may get carried away and demo something I'm not supposed to. So until I have permission to demo, I can't wear this shirt. So thank you, Chip Gaines, for allowing me, not this wall, this wall. I should mark that down. Okay, anyway, here today, I don't really know what this video is going to be about today. Maybe at the end of all the footage, I'll know what to title it. There's George. Yes. I have already taken out this shelf and stuff. I took out the knife magnet killer section. We took out the pot rack and all the pots. They're just right here. I've never packed up a kitchen with the intent of staying in the house. I've only packed it up to move. So this is a little weird for me. I don't know. I feel like I should just, I don't know. I might just put stuff in the dining room nicely. I'm gonna have everything accessible that I might need, and then everything we're not gonna possibly use, I'm gonna kind of put it in boxes or crates, still put it in the dining room, and that'll just be our storage unit. One quick note on the appliances. We decided we're gonna keep the Sub-Zero in the basement as like a secondary refrigerator because we use both of them. They're both really kind of sparse. Like we could definitely load the Kenmore we have in the other room a lot more full than it is right now. But like for parties and things like that, and when you want extra drinks or extra whatever, and you just want them cold, I don't know. Sometimes it's nice to have that. Or when I bake all those cakes that I bake, you know, me baking cakes. It might be nice to have that space down there. We're also going to move the deep freezer down there. I'm not doing any of this. We called the movers. They'll be here this afternoon or tomorrow. Yet another development on this Wolf range. Yesterday it blew up, which is the second time it's done that to me. I put the broiler on and it was filling with gas, and I didn't realize that it never ignited. Maybe 5 or 6 minutes after I started it. So I was standing right here, and then the door was and flames shot out, and flames shot out the back, and it was sparks, and I thought I died, but I didn't. So that's good news. However, I don't feel comfortable selling this piece of junk to anyone with the risk of me getting sued when their house blows up. So I'm just gonna take this down to the scrap metal place in town and see if I can get a few dollars for its weight in metal. I don't know how that works. I've only done that once, years ago. So again, the movers will be here today or tomorrow to move this, the fridge, and the deep freezer. And then today is Tuesday. Thursday, the new GE Cafe 48-inch range will be right there. I have a lot to do. I'm not sure I'm gonna get the floors down in 2 days. Maybe I can work on the wall. I don't know. Maybe that's what this video is about. Unloading your kitchen and removing a wall. Hopefully. I need to check and see if it's load bearing. I have not officially checked that. I do have some money set aside in the budget in case that happens, but I would really rather it go towards lowering the budget. So anyway, I'm gonna keep unloading this part of the kitchen. So this wall is totally cleared, ready for nothing. And then I'm gonna start unloading all of these things, these drawers, take out the microwave. Well, yeah, I don't know. after my kitchen tour video, I got in so much trouble for my wife that it wasn't clean that I have to clean like as I go, even in demolition. I'm just kidding. There was honey over there and I didn't want to get my hands sticky. She was fine, you guys. She's so fun. Hey, you should check her out. Victoria Lucille Ann on YouTube. No, Victoria Smith? What is it? Okay, Instagram is Victoria Lucille Ann. Her website is victorialucilleann.com, and then we'll just link her channel right there. Just go check her out. She's sewing, you know, she loves to sew. Anyway, keep going. I decided to start taking down some of the trim and the molding stuff around where the doors were and the actual door jambs, door frames. They came out really easily because this is the original door opening, and then I guess there used to be a door there. It's way taller and cooler, and ours were stupid. So I got all the moldings down. I started, can you see that up there? No. I took the crown molding off, which were just 3 pieces of 2, one on the ceiling, one on the wall of like floor baseboard, and then just a smaller medium-sized actual crown molding in the middle. Made it look huge, but really it's not. I accidentally poked through the ceiling right there, so now is a good time to make a hole in the ceiling and see which way the joists are going. This is like moment of truth. I'm hoping it'll be fine. If not, I'll just start weeping in the corner. It's not low bearing. Look at it this way.
Oh, it's not low bearing?
Oh man.
Oh, that's good. He's having way too much fun doing this. What do you think, Sadie? Look at our old wall. It's that's plaster?
What a beautiful color.
Oh.
Daddy, I want
There it goes. Oh my gosh. You're gonna ruin the floors.
It's gonna be refinished.
It doesn't matter.
Yay!
to
So good.
What, you still weren't sure if it was low bearing or not?
No, not until I poke a hole in the ceiling.
I thought you knew already.
I had a good estimate. It's not low bearing. So last night was weird. Couldn't sleep very well. Seriously, cat. the majority of the kids and the dogs are barking and yelling. The kids were yelling, the dogs were barking. They're all awake, and they woke me up at 6, and then they all went back to sleep, and I didn't. And then they woke up at like 9. So I've been quietly working, doing really not a lot. Like moving everything from the Sub-Zero into the Kenmore, and it fits everything. Everything we had in 2 refrigerators fit in here. Granted, I did get rid of a lot of old, moldy, disgusting food. Guys, clean out your fridge every once in a while. It's so bad. It's so bad. It's embarrassing, but... So what I'm coming to discover is that this is an embarrassing process. So I'm just gonna deal with it. I flipped the breaker that said like hood vent, stove, kitchen plugs, microwave, refrigerator, and almost everything turned off. The main set of lights, which has 2 light switches on this wall that I'm taking out, are still on, so I need to figure out where that is located, and the fridge still didn't turn off. And then I got a text saying our new stove will be here tomorrow morning between 10:30 and 12:30. I have a lot to do. So luckily all the kids are awake. I'm just gonna start working, get the rest of this wall, plaster, sheathing stuff out.
Don't pretend you're sorry, even if you're crying. You know how to make me worry. I can tell you're lying. Looking through old photos, you and I were both of different kinds of colors. I'm glad I'm not yours. Why am I feeling like I want you to be mine?
Okay, so I know that it's not load bearing. Another reason, and this is like just to make myself feel good, is that these are all like super wobbly, so there's no weight on them at all. So that makes me also feel like, all right, I know what I'm doing. I'm like 100% confident it's not load bearing. If you're not 100% confident it's load bearing, talk to a structural engineer and talk to professionals and have them come out and look at it and tell you. Because if you just see like, hey, well, Jody's wall wasn't, I'm gonna tear my house, and then your house falls apart, that's not my fault. I'm telling you right now, I professionally know this is not load bearing. You need to professionally know or get a professional to tell you. That's all. Out of the way, safety gear, getting cutting. good. I feel tired, but the wall is down and the ceiling is still up. So great news. I look like a street child. I really like how it looks now when you walk in from the sunroom. You're like, oh, I'm walking in, I'm walking backwards. You guys are looking. And then that with the, well, to just kind of visualize it, with the brick in the back, and knowing the plan in my head and my heart, I am super excited. That over there I still have to finish. Those cabinets are still there, if you have not noticed, because they're full of food. And we haven't emptied them out yet. So those cabinets are still there. They will be out within the next 10 days because I want those to go in the dumpster. And I have the dumpster starting tomorrow for 10 days. So all this has to get out. So I'm just leaving all this stuff here until the dumpster comes tomorrow. I'm hoping it comes before the range. I'm gonna get it all out and clean up in time for the stove to get here. It won't take that long to clean this. I'm saying that now, it might. But anyway, the wall's down. You saw me do it in 2 days. So that's great news. It's starting to get a little dark, not really, but it's cloudy and rainy, so we're gonna lose daylight. And we only have that one light now in here, so I can't really work in this corner because it's too dark. And I need to clean myself up and go deal with dinner. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe down below, hit that notification bell, hit the like button so other people can find out how to tear down a wall if they need to. Anyway, you guys are great. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Alexa, pause. Okay, all that stuff went, all those,
Sorry, I'm having problems completing your request. Please try again later. If you continue to have issues, please contact support.
I wasn't talking to you. All of those hooks went right in the trash.